In this video, I'm going to show you how the sum using mask node works. I link it to a graph that I've already prepared, composed of two terrains and a mask. And here's the result. The sum using mask node works as follows. In the white areas, the second terrain is added to the first one. In this example, my Perlin noise node is added to my slope node at a height of 0. In the black areas, only the first terrain is preserved, so here it is, my slope at a height of 0. And in the grey areas, the second terrain is added to the first terrain, but this time the grey values act as a multiplying coefficient that directly affects this addition. Now that I understand this principle, I can adjust the mask parameters accordingly. Particularly the internal radius, that creates a more or less smooth transition between the two terrains, depending on the intensity of its gradient. Let's see the sum using mask node in a graph a little more complex. Here the two terrains are driven by a painted mask node, which is controlled by a smooth node. And it's the smooth node parameters that I'm going to adjust to create more or less smooth transitions between the two terrains. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon for the next tutorial.